If you're on a GLP-1 medication like Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Zepbound, protein is the most important nutrient you need to protect your muscle, your energy, and even your skin. But here's the problem. With your appetite so low, it's hard to hit your protein goals. That's where shakes and supplements come in. So, we're going to break down the four most popular protein options in the GLP-1 users world. They talk about this all the time. There's Fairlife protein shakes, there's collagen powders like Vital Proteins, Protein Gold, which is medical grade protein, and Thrive Lifestyle shakes. We'll talk about the benefits, the drawbacks, the marketing hype, and which ones are actually worth it. Stick around until the end because I'll give you a sample daily routine for hitting your protein goals while staying full, energized, and healthy on your GLP-1 journey. Hi, I'm Lori. This is GLP-1 Journey in Review. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite protein supplement is and what you do to get your protein goals. Protein, it's non negotiable when you're on a GLP-1. Why? Because these medications suppress your appetite so strongly that you end up eating much less food overall. That's part of what makes them effective. But it also means your body is at risk of losing not just fat, but muscle. And losing muscle while losing weight is one of the fastest ways to feel weak, tired, burnt out. It could slow down your metabolism. It can make it harder for you to keep the weight off long term and even impact your skin and hair. So, protein becomes a kind of safety net. Enough protein means your body can hold on to lean tissue, repair itself, and keep your energy up and reduce the dreaded Ozempic face. But here's the challenge when you're only eating 1,200 to 1,300 calories a day. Hitting 80 to 100 grams of protein feels almost impossible with just food. That's where shakes and supplements step in. They're quick, they're concentrated, and they make it possible to get your body to what it actually needs without forcing yourself to eat when you're not hungry. Let me know down below. What's your favorite way to get the protein in? Think of protein like the bricks of your house. Every time your body repairs muscle, makes hormones, strengthens your immune system, or keeps your skin tight, it's pulling from the pile of bricks. But if that pile is too small, body cuts corners. That's where you begin to lose lean muscle. On GLP-1, the risk goes up because you're eating less and your body isn't getting enough raw material unless you consciously prioritize protein. And that's the truth. Almost nobody naturally hits enough protein when they start these medications. That's why shakes became a game changer. They're concentrated, they're easy. You could put them in your bag, in your purse. They don't require cooking, and you could get them almost everywhere. Let's start with the most popular Fairlife protein shakes. If you've been anywhere near a GLP-1 Facebook group or TikTok, in the comments section, you know that they're everywhere. Here's what makes them so loved. Each shake, about 30 grams of high quality dairy protein. They're lactose free. So people who usually struggle with milk can tolerate them. They're very low in sugars and carbs, ready to drink, no mixing, no blending, cleaning the blender after grabbing the water, milk out, no shaker bottles with the balls and then trying to get that all clean. Nope, all ready for you. For someone on a GLP-1, that can be a lifesaver. You might not feel like eating a chicken breast or an egg, but you could slowly sip on your shake. So, what are the pros? They're widely available. They taste pretty good. They get the job done. The cons, some people find them too filling. Others complain about the taste, and sometimes they have a protein aftertaste. And they can get really expensive if you rely on them every day. Best way to use them? I say as a quick breakfast replacement or after workout or when you just need a fast protein, but you just don't want to cook. Now, collagen supplements, they're next up. This one is tricky because collagen has become almost a cult supplement. People mix it in their coffees and their smoothies or just water. What is collagen? It's a type of protein. It's great for your skin elasticity, joint health, hair, nails. That's why people on a GLP-1 love it. When you're losing weight quickly, loose skin, hair thinning, they're real concerns. It happens. It happened to me. Collagen can help support both. But here's the catch. Collagen, it's not a complete protein. It's missing some of the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle preservation. That means if you rely on collagen alone, you're not hitting your protein goals properly. So, what's the right way to use it? Think of collagen as bonus protein, but not as a foundation. Pair it with something like Fairlife or actual food protein sources. And that should work. But if you're using collagen alone, you're shortcutting yourself. Now let's talk about one big medical one, Protein Gold. Let's see if I just happen to have one here. Comes in a little packet, you squeeze it up, and you get it right out of there. I personally don't like protein water, so I use this because one swallow and it's done. So for GLP-1 users, they say that it gets protein into your system fast. And if you can't eat much, the liquid concentrate, it's designed for efficiencies. The pros, if you've had bariatric surgery, or if you're recovering from a medical procedure, or you're just extra sensitive, it could be a lifesaver. The cons, it's pricey. And if you don't truly need medical grade protein, you may not get more benefit than just a regular shake. Like I said, I happen to use it because I don't particularly like the taste of protein water. And when I can't get my goal, especially on my shot day, one squeeze and I get my protein. Finally, let's talk about Thrive by Lavelle. I used to use this system all the time. I'm kind of backing away from it because it's very expensive and it does have a lot of caffeine in it. It's less of a medical supplement and more of a lifestyle brand. And it's marketed very heavily on social media and it does have a loyal following. The shakes contain protein, but they also have added vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and caffeine for energy. And they're pitched as an all in one daily lifestyle shake. They're good, they taste great, they're convenient. And someone who likes branding, they make you feel like you're part of a community. The bad, they're expensive. And the extra ingredients are not necessarily needed. If you take a good multivitamin and you're eating well, you don't really need those extra vitamins that they put in there. So if you enjoy them, fine. But if you don't, here's other ways to get the protein. Let's line them up. Fairlife. It's best for daily protein needs. It's widely available and it's practical. Collagen. It's best for skin and hair, joints, but it's not complete. Use it as a sidekick. Protein. It's best for medical needs, recovery, and people that are really struggling with appetite suppression. Thrive. Best if you like the lifestyle vibe, but it's very pricey. If I had to rank them, for GLP-1 users, Fairlife would probably be one, Collagen second for support, and Thrive third, and Protein Gold because not everybody needs it. There's other ways to get it, and those packs are a couple bucks each, maybe even $3 each. So, how do you actually build your protein goals into your day? Start your morning with a Fairlife shake or another high protein shake to set the tone. Add a scoop of collagen to your coffee or tea for your skin and hair support. At lunch, eat a protein forward meal, chicken, fish, but even eggs. If you're struggling in the evening, use a protein gold or a small shake to close the gap. This way, it should be easy to hit your 80 to 100 gram protein goal every day. Supplements smart, not expensive. Here's the caution: don't let supplements drain your wallet. Shakes are convenient, yes, but they're not magic. You can get plenty of protein from simple, cheaper foods like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, canned tuna, canned salmon. They all have it. You don't necessarily have to have one of the supplements. Remember, GLP-1 meds, they're already expensive. Don't feel pressured to add extra trendy shakes and little protein packets or other things that you see on TikTok. Just use what fits your budget. Let me know in the comments if you used any of these. So let's wrap this up. Protein is absolutely essential on a GLP-1 medication, actually with any weight loss, and not just GLP-1. And shakes are supplements. They make it possible for you to hit your target when your appetite is low. But you don't necessarily have to have them if you have the proper foods. The choice is yours. You pick according to your appetite, according to your budget. If this breakdown helped you at all, please hit that like and subscribe button. Only about 45% of you are subscribed, so please smash that subscribe button. It really does help. And let me know your favorite protein shake down in the comments. Love to hear from you.